Good morning. More than ever, our world needs leadership. And not just any kind of leadership, but the kind of leadership that unites and inspires people across cultures. And this requires not that you learn more information, although that's important, especially early in one's career, but it's really understanding that leadership is a social influence process, which means it's about creating goals and visions that are shared among a group of people. To develop this kind of leadership requires that you understand three things about people. Number one, it's really understanding that they have individual strengths that make them unique and that can be leveraged in the workplace. Number two, it's about understanding that their cultural backgrounds create the values that they bring into the workplace. And number three, it's about understanding what we all have in common as human beings, which is core needs for security and growth. This kind of leadership also requires that you look deeply within yourself. A new theory of leadership is emerging that's called authentic leadership, and it's based on the idea that genuine leadership comes through self-awareness and transparency with others. This kind of authentic self-discovery and self-disclosure leads to building trust between people. And also, authentic leadership recognizes that leadership development is a lifelong learning process. Finally, consider that your authentic leadership depends on an internal moral compass that you have access to that you can use to guide your everyday decision making. But this is really a practice that needs to be practiced each and every day. So in conclusion, these are just some of the ideas that are being discussed in today's leadership environment and some of the conversations that we have here in our programs at IE. Thank you.